Everything in the universe spins. Motion is the only constant. It's a law written into the very fabric of the Big Bang. But the James Webb Space Telescope sent back data that shouldn't exist. 12 billion light years away. Astronomers just found something that doesn't. A galaxy with zero rotation. Galaxy XMM-Vidwan 2075 has no clear evidence of rotation. This isn't just a weird discovery, it's a crisis. If this galaxy doesn't spin, then it may mean our models of galaxy formation are incomplete. Today we go inside the stillness. To understand why a still galaxy is so terrifying to physicists, you first have to understand the ice skater effect. In physics, we call it the conservation of angular momentum. When the universe began, everything was a hot, chaotic soup of gas. As gravity pulled that gas together to form galaxies, that gas started to fall inward. Just like an ice skater pulling their arms in, that inward fall forces the system to spin. This is why nearly every galaxy we've ever seen is a disk. The rotation spreads matter into a flattened disk. Our Milky Way is doing it right now, dragging us along at 800,000 kilometers per hour. So, how did XMM-Vidwan 2075, a galaxy containing hundreds of billions of stars, manage to form without that rotation? To find the answer, NASA had to look at the light in a way we've never done before. Scientists initially thought the data was a glitch. They used the James Webb's near-infrared spectrograph to measure the red shift and blue shift of the galaxy. And here's the part that doesn't make sense. This galaxy is too big to behave this way. Usually when we look at a galaxy, one side is moving toward us and the other is moving away. It's a clear signature of rotation. But when the team pointed Webb at this 12-billion-year-old giant, the signature was flat. Both sides of the galaxy were moving at exactly the same speed. It was like looking at a hurricane and realizing the wind wasn't blowing. But as the team dug deeper into the May 2026 data, they found something even more unsettling. This galaxy wasn't just still, it was dead. In the early universe, galaxies are supposed to be star factories. They should be bright, blue, and violent with new births. But XMM-Vidwan 2075 is what astronomers call quenched. It stopped making stars billions of years before it should have. It is a zombie galaxy, full of old red stars drifting through the dark. This creates a massive whodunit mystery in the cosmic record. Usually a galaxy dies because it gets too hot, or because a supermassive black hole at its center blows all the gas away. But for a galaxy to be both non-rotating and dead, that suggests a level of cosmic violence we've never witnessed. Some theorists believe we are looking at the aftermath of a perfect collision. Imagine two massive galaxies, both spinning in opposite directions, slamming into each other head-on. If the angles were just right, a 1 in a billion shot, their angular momentums could, theoretically, cancel each other out. The impact would have been so violent that it stripped all the gas out of the galaxies, stopping star formation instantly. It would leave behind a massive, bloated corpse of stars that simply sits there. But there's a problem with that theory. The math doesn't fully add up. To cancel out all the spin, the collision would have to be so precise, it's statistically impossible. Which leads us to a much darker possibility, one that involves the stuff we cannot see. We know that 85% of the matter in a galaxy is dark matter. It acts like a gravitational glue. Our current models of dark matter require it to form halos that spin. If Galaxy XMM-Vidwan 2075 isn't spinning, it means the dark matter halo surrounding it isn't behaving the way our textbooks say it should. If the dark matter isn't spinning, then our standard model of cosmology, the foundation of everything we know about the Big Bang, has a hole in it, a big one. We may be seeing something our current models can't fully explain. We are looking at a physics error at the scale of 1 billion suns. The discovery of the non-rotating galaxy in May 2026 has left the scientific community divided. Some say it's a fluke. Others believe it's the first piece of evidence that our universe is much stranger, and perhaps much older, than we ever dared to imagine. If massive galaxies can freeze this early, it means the early universe was far more violent and far more varied than our models predicted. As JWST continues to peer into the zone of avoidance, we might find that XMM-Vidwan 2075 isn't an outlier. It might be a warning, because if the spin stops, gravity takes over, And we all know what happens when gravity wins. If you want to know how this discovery changes our fate in the Milky Way, watch our deep dive into the great attractor Vela right here. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Fuel your curiosity.